Hello everyone. In last few videos of trigonometric functions, we have seen how to find the general solutions of sin theta equals to sin alpha, cos theta equals to cos alpha, and tan theta equals to tan alpha. Okay. Now today we will see the examples depending upon all these general solutions. Okay. But first we will collect here all our general solutions. So general solution of first sin theta equals to sin alpha is theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha. For cos theta equals to cos alpha is theta equals to 2 pi n plus minus alpha, and tan theta equals to tan alpha is theta equals to n pi plus alpha. And this n, this n and this n, all these n belong to set of integers. Okay, so for solving the examples we will use these solutions, so it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so very first example is we will take sin theta equals to half, which is your exercise 3.1 and question number 3, sum number 1. Okay, now here we have to find the sin alpha, means for what value of alpha sin ratio is half. So we know sin pi by 6 equals to half. So instead of this half we will write here sin pi by 6. Okay, on this side sin theta. Now sin theta equals to sin pi by 6. Here sin theta equals to sin alpha. Here solution is theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. Here our alpha is pi by 6. So what will be our general solution? Therefore general solution is theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha. Here it is pi by 6, where n belongs to set of integers. So this is the general solution of sin theta equals to half. Very simple. Okay. Now second is cos theta equals to root 3 by 2. Again we have to find here cos alpha. Okay. So for what value of alpha cos ratio is root 3 by 2? We know again cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. If you don't know these values, I have given one chart in my previous video. Okay, I have given the link in description box. You can go there and you can find all trigonometric values of basic angles. Okay. So cos theta equals to root 3 by 2. Instead of this root 3 by 2, now we will write cos pi by 6. Okay. So here it is cos theta. Therefore general solution is, to compare this equation with this second, cos theta equals to cos pi by 6, cos theta equals to cos alpha. So theta equals to 2 pi n plus minus alpha. So we will write theta equals to 2 pi n plus minus, instead of alpha we can write pi by 6. Okay, where n is an integer. Okay. Now third is tan theta equals to, third sum is tan theta equals to 1 by root 3. Again we have to find tan alpha. Okay. So again same question. For what value of alpha tan ratio is 1 by root 3? Again same value. Tan pi by 6, it is 1 by root 3. Okay. So instead of this 1 by root 3, we will write here tan pi by 6. Now compare this with our third solution. Tan theta equals to tan alpha is theta equals to n pi plus alpha. So here instead of alpha, here it is pi by 6. Therefore the general solution is theta equals to n pi plus pi by 6, where n belongs to set of integers. Simple one. This is the general solution of tan theta equals to 1 by root 3. Now, fourth, cot theta equals to 0. We will take the reciprocals of both the sides. Okay, so reciprocal of cot theta is tan theta and reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 we can write as infinity. Now, for what value of alpha tan ratio is infinity? Now we know that sin pi by 2 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0. If we write sin pi by 2 upon cos pi by 2, then 1 upon 0, that is infinity. It means tan pi by 2 is infinity. Okay. So instead of this infinity, now we will write tan pi by 2. Now simple. Next. General solution of tan theta equals to tan alpha is theta equals to n pi plus alpha. So here instead of alpha only pi by 2 we have to write. Therefore, the general solution is theta equals to n pi plus pi by 2, where n belongs to set of integers. So this is the general solution of cot theta equals to 0. Understood? Like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you.